Good morning, boys and girls, and welcome to the southern wing of the Stink Bug Works, where I have mostly cleared off the bench here. I have some materials that I need to make new scales for my perk testing device. The old ones were plastic, and they don't hold up very well out in the sun. They get brittle, and they crack, and they fade and such. So I'm going to make the next set out of metal. This is also part of the perk testing stuff. And this drill motor and these drill bits are going to become part of the perk testing stuff just because I need that occasionally out in the field. So there you go. I got some my coffee and I have me an empty bench. So let's go over to the eastern wing here for a moment and take a look at what's here on the eastern wing. Now, my guess is these fluorescent lights and these incandescent lights, not incandescent, they're what the hell are they? LED lights are going to make the light things go psychedelic on us. Such is the way of life. This thing is just about ready to go. I need some waterline hose, and I thought I had white tubing, but it looks like I used it all up, so I ordered some more, and it'll be a week or so before the tubing shows up. But let's talk about what I did. Now, if you watch this channel, there's a real good possibility you watch Big B's channel. And Big B talked about the shim on his rudder for the larger version of this. And he's absolutely right. This transom has an angle on it, just like I was dealing with the angle here on the back of the sponsons. And so what I did was I glued a piece of carbon fiber to the rudder bracket, and then I just milled off everything that wasn't what I wanted. So it came out real nice, and I was able to achieve something, not quite as much as I wanted, but a little bit. The whole point is, let's see, do I have something that would work? Yes, I do. The whole point is, if the rudder is sloping forward, when it turns, it actually digs the back end, digs the transom down. If the rudder is sloping outwards and it turns, it wants to lift the back of the boat up. So I like to have mine kicked back a degree or so, just to give a little bit of up in the turns, because that's when you're going slower and that's when the transom wants to drop down in the water. So a little oomph to keep it up in the turns doesn't hurt. Okay, for the first run, I'm going to start with this Octura X642. No, X640. A 40 millimeter prop. Real conservative for the motor that's in there. I'm running a 3660 on 3S, and I should be able to push a 45, 46 millimeter prop with no problem at all. So I'm going to start with a real small prop because my pond is real small. And so there you have it. I've put the black dot and the black frown on the hatch here, the canopy. Oh, that's the canopy. This is the cowl. The cowl. So we're ready to go, except for that. And I want to put a different speed control in there for reasons that I'll explain later. It's just the other speed control would have been an inconvenience. So there you go, boys and girls. And the windshield actually does make you go 10 miles an hour faster. So don't run around with boats that don't have windshields. It slows you down. Until next time, jet out.